Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with J, empowered by Magic Needles. This day I am here with V Stitch. Usually we are familiar with double crochet V stitches. So now this is worked with half double crochet V stitches, and it gives a nice texture and look to the product that we make. And this is a versatile stitch. We can use it for any projects that you like, for baby blankets, for your scarves, so on and so forth. So to work this, we require a multiple of 2 stitches plus 2 chains. So an even number of chains is what is required, but if you want so many specific number of stitches, you should go with plus 2 chains. And to demonstrate the stitch, I am going to use Hobby Store light gray Aran yarn, which is 100% premium acrylic anti-pill, and it's medium weight 4 with color code 2023. So I'll make the required number of chains for the demonstration and get back to you. And I'll be using my 5 mm Clover Amore hook. I've made 12 plus 2 14 chains. So make a half double V in the 4th chain from the hook. 1, 2, 3 and 4th chain from the hook. Sorry, I made a double. Naturally goes to double. So we're going to make half double. Chain 1 and a half double crochet. So this is the half double V here. Skip 1 chain and make a half double crochet, chain 1, half double crochet. Again skip 1, half double crochet, chain 1, half double crochet. Continue till the end. Skip 1, half double crochet V in the next. Skip 1, half double crochet V in the next till you are left with last 2 chains. I've come to the end of the row here. I'm left with 2 chains. So skip the next and make a half double crochet in the last chain. Chain 1 and turn. Make a half double crochet in the very first stitch. Skip the first stitch and the next half double crochet and make half double V in chain spaces. This is the pattern repeat for this row. Again skip these next 2 half doubles and a half double V in the next chain space. So you will be working in the chain space that we have made between the half doubles. So continue till the end. I shall meet you at the end here. We have come to the end of the row here. Skip this last half double and place a half double in the very last stitch. That was our turning chains. The very first row turning chain. Chain 1 and turn. So this is a 1 row pattern repeat. 1 half double crochet in the very first stitch. Then in every chain space you're going to place a half double V. The V stitches are formed by the stitch and the chain space between them. Some of the V's are specific and they use 2 stitches and 2 chains, and it's called 3 stitch V stitches, so on and so forth. You have 3 double V stitches. You'll have 3 DCs, chain 2 and 3 DCs, sometimes 2 DCs, chain 2 and 2 DCs, so on and so forth. They are all classified under the V stitch only. The basic V stitch is a stitch, chain 1 and a stitch. So it may be half double crochet, it may be a double crochet, it may be a treble crochet. So all these are classified under V stitches. And you can play with all these stitches. Imagination is yours, sky is the limit for the same. You can have your own patterns made with all these stitches and a combination of stitches too. So we have come to the end of the row here. So place your last half double crochet in the last stitch. So this is how the pattern develops. It's a reversible pattern. When I have made a swatch outfit, and this is how it looks. And if you wanted still looser fabric, you can use a higher hook, one or two sizes larger hook. So that will give a better flexibility in the pattern or the swatch that you make or the product that you make. Hope you enjoyed this video, friends. I'll be back with yet another pattern in the next video. Do subscribe to Magic Needles channel and do not forget to hit on the bell icon so that you get notified as and when we upload a new video. Bye. Have a great day, friends.